I've been able to make my research and I've found these two open source that allows you to use the two most powerful AI models, Grok AI and Seedance 2.0 AI, for free. The second one gives you unlimited access. The first one gives you 100 daily credits. I just discovered recently. I'm going to share them in this video. So guys, let's go. We want to use Grok AI to generate our video and also show you how to extend this video to this particular platform here that offers you free 100 credits every time you log into this platform. That is, the moment you sign up, you have access to claim 100 credits daily. Please don't always forget that part, because you need to claim those credits. It's very important, because that is what you'll be using, okay, to generate your videos using Grok AI. All right, so this is how the interface looks like. I am using the free version, which is $0 always, okay, and I will be having 100 free credits per day. And now you're going to be receiving email like this, okay? Exactly. So the moment to receive email like this every day, make sure your prompts are ready. You hop on the platform and start generating. And you can see this as this has AI video, and you have Seedance 2.0, we have Kling AI, we have Grok, we have Sora 2, we have Halloween, we have Veil 3.1. Guys, this is fantastic. And we also have AI images, where we use the GPT image 2.0, Nano Banana GPT image 1.5, and we have Grok image. And we also have AI audio, where we use the 11 labs. That is, if you want to generate a voiceover separately, you can use here to generate your voiceover, okay? And then if you want to create a music, we have Suno. We all know that Suno has a paid version, and here you have it for free by just using this platform. Guys, don't sleep on this and use it. Guys, I have my 100 credits. Boom. Now remember, whenever you are signing up, always pay attention to this part, because you always have claim your 100 credits popping up here. If you don't claim it, you always have it pop up here. So let's proceed. So once it pops up, please claim it, and you're going to, so it's going to be added here automatically. Every model you use has a specific credit attached to it. So if you're using Seedance, it's not going to be the same number of credits you will use if you're using Grok AI. Do you understand? So yeah, this is the interface. Once you select that Seedance, this is how it's going to look like, Seedance 2.0 standard. So you can easily click here and select fast. There are other options. Do you understand? Yeah, other options where you can select from, and we have more options of Seedance Pro, Seedance this, Seedance that. So go ahead and use the one you want to use. But our purpose of this tutorial is to use Grok AI and Grok Video Extend. We want to use Grok AI to generate our video and also show you how to extend this video to a long video. You can extend it without having to start from scratch to generate it. So just like the normal Grok app that we have, that you have to extend it, and you also have the Grok Video Upscale. Now these tools are not free if you're using the Grok app, but it's free here because you have some credits here you can use to generate. So let's go ahead and select our Grok AI, so we can go ahead and start creating Grok video. Awesome. So we've selected that. So you're going to have your prompt. I'm going to paste your prompt here. Go copy your prompt. I already have now when you select your Grok AI, let me show you something, okay? Before we paste our prompt, the moment you select your model, right, you're going to see aspect ratio here. You see duration, right? Now we are going to see what 7 credits what we are using for Grok AI to generate our 6 seconds video. Is that not fair enough? Because this is a free tool, man. This is fair enough. So if you're using Seedance, let's see what Seedance 2.0 fast. Let's use fast, okay? Now let's see Seedance 2.0. Let's go down. Awesome, 39 credits, and you have 100 credits. So you have your prompt ready. All right, this is the previous one that I've generated. This is the normal video, and this is the extend feature. All right, so we are going to proceed. Let me get my prompt from ChatGPT, the extend feature, to show you how to use the extend feature and how it's working. Okay, So guys, we are good to go, right? Beautiful. So go ahead and set your dimension. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at this. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at this, I'm gonna leave it at this, I'm gonna leave it at this, and it's 7 credits. So go ahead and generate. Okay, so immediately you do that, you're going to see very fast video is ready. Let's watch.
Every AI tool has a limit.
Not this one.
What's the catch? There is none.
Awesome. So I'm going to extend this video, and then you see where it's going to pick from. Okay, it's going to pick from a point and continue from there. So let's go ahead and use extend. The moment to come here and select this is how to use the extend feature. The moment to come here and select the Grok extend feature, watch what is going to happen. Automatically it's going to add this video, this box here. Look at it. See this video here. This source video tags is here, this source video. Okay, it has brought in this video automatically. You don't need to add it. So the changes you need to make is you are going to add something that you want in. So let's see how the extend feature works. So once you are done with it, okay, you can go ahead and add the seconds you want. Okay, now this extend starts from which point. Okay, this is where you are going to specify where you are going to start the extend from. Do you want to start it from the beginning or you want to start at the end? So for me, I'm going to start it at the 6 seconds, meaning is the last scene, that is the last 6. Okay, that is the 6th second, that is the last part. Then once you are done with it, you go ahead and generate. This is going to cost you 12 credits. So you go ahead and generate. So it's going to extend. I'm going to show you. Look at it's loading here. It's generating, right? This is the extend, Grok video extend. And we have Grok video, the first one here. And then this is Grok video extend. So guys, this is how you use the Grok AI here and the Grok extend feature here.
Every AI tool has a limit.
Not this one.
What's the catch? There is none.
I have experienced that.
I love the quality here.
Let's keep creating.
We keep creating.
Guys, this is so sweet. Okay, so guys, that is the Grok.
So I just got this product a few days ago. And honestly, I didn't expect it to work this fast. Like, my skin has never felt this smooth before. And of the best product ever.
Over there, let me know in the comment section how it's going, but make sure that your scripts are all ready before you start, so you don't waste credit by trial and error. Okay, like I said, have multiple email so that once you are done generating with this one, while you're waiting for the next one to to reload, you're almost completing your task. Do you understand? Remember, it's free and you don't expect them to give you all the credit in this world, so appreciate the little that you are having. Okay, all right, so let's proceed, guys, into that heat of you've exhausted your credits. Do you understand? So you can go ahead and, so the moment you log in, please follow this part. A lot of people were complaining that they tried to use video and it wasn't working because you skipped a part. Now the moment you log in, you're going to enter into your studio. The moment you click this studio, you're going to have this chat box. Okay, the thing where you're going to click is this video gen. All right, when you click this video gen, this is where you are going to have access to Grok. This Grok now is this 30 seconds up to 30. You can create video up to 30 seconds using Grok. It's a new feature that's been added, and extend feature also. You can extend your video. This is actually beautiful. So I'm going to generate another one for you to see. Now look at the model here. Model is Grok. Okay, and this other settings is okay. I put it at normal. Just keep it there, custom, don't change it. Now this is where a lot of people are having challenges. That I said, don't use this part, but rather use standard and 6 seconds. Okay, now select your aspect, your orientation, that's your aspect ratio. Select everything. Let's use one particular prompt and create something for us to see. With all of these, okay, you are ready to hit this generate. Remember, look at it, it's 0 credit. Even when you have 40 credit, my 40 credit has been here, it has been here since, because I've used this platform and it has not gone down. The 40 credit is still 40 credit. So please follow this pattern and use it for free, unlimited. I will say that because I've been using it. I have not hit the limitation yet. So go ahead and generate. Once you generate, you're going to verify if you are human. All right, so you go ahead and hit this verify, like you clear this box here, and once you clear the box, it will start generating automatically. So that is exactly what you should do to keep using method. Please use this method, okay? Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. So you see, it has started generating and it's free, guys, and my 40 credit is still here. It has not been removed. So when I saw the comment that people were saying they couldn't generate videos with it, I don't know if you actually follow these steps, but honestly, if you're following this step, you will generate using Grok AI. All right,
Every AI tool has a limit.
Not this one.
What's the catch? There is none.
I have experienced that.
I love the quality here.
Let's keep creating.
We keep creating.